Hello friends, today we will discuss a roadmap, journey and a timeline slide. Very important topic and one of the most common ask. And there could be various ways where you can use this slide. I'm going to tell you a few examples. Let's say you are creating a roadmap and now you have to show how your product will be delivered. Then you can have a different milestones and you can show a kind of roadmap how your product will be evolved over the period. Another example could be that you are working on a project or program and you want to show the different stages of the program, that what all different stages will be there in the program and what are the milestones you want to achieve. Very, very common ask. Third, very interesting could be, for example, if you're appearing for your promotion or any such key event where you want to tell about yourself that over the period, what all value you have brought for the company. So there could be various aspects, and this is very common slide which can be repurposed in many ways. And you'll be surprised to hear that such a very useful, very powerful slide can be created even in few minutes. My name is Satish Chandra, and a very warm welcome to my channel. If you have not subscribed the channel, please do so for many more such videos. So let's start, and then I'll show you how this slide can be quickly created in a few minutes of time. Let's start. I'm going to open a blank slide now. So here's my blank slide. First thing I'm going to do is view and put a guide here, and then I'm going to change the format background. So I'm going to put a blank black shade here, and then go to insert and put a shapes here. This one, stripped right, and just draw it here. Just make such a length that it is you have enough space that you can put different milestones here. Now go to shape outline and say no outline, and I am going to do a shape fill, and let's say I choose this color, and then I'm going to put a shape effect, shadow, and this one. Now one more thing I'm going to do here is do insert shape and draw a line and put it somewhere here in the middle till this point, and say shape outline black. So now you have a sort of a road ready. Now let's draw a few circles here. So go to insert shapes, press a shift key while you're drawing a circle like this. I'm going to use only width and height as 3, and say shape outline I'm going to put a white one and increase the weight to, let's say, this one, 2.25. Now I'm going to do is you can go to align and put it center. Now fair enough. Now I'm going to duplicate these. So there's a shortcut to duplicate is Control D. So let's say Control D and put one over here. Do Control D, put one over here, and similarly on the left side I'm going to copy. So Control D, put one over here, and then Control D. Now are they distributed horizontally or not? To check that, I'm going to just click all of them and say align, distribute horizontally. Fair enough. Now let's change the color. So I'm going to put this color for this one, and then let's say choose a purple color. For this one I'm going to use a pink one. This one I'm going to use orange, and then this one I'm going to use green. Okay, now the milestone which I showed you in a previous slide was put in years. So 2019, 20, 21, 22, 23. You can have a milestone as monthly also, or a alternate month also, or quarter also. So for this video, let's say I want to put a quarterly view. There are 5 quarters. I am planning to complete my product, and these will be my different milestones. So let's say insert, go to a text box, and I want to say Q1 23. Change the font to white, and I'm going to choose this font. You search with T, you will find this font, and let's put it here. Okay, now let's do Control D, put it over here. Let's move a little bit towards the right. Okay, and let's change it. So this becomes my Q2, this becomes my Q3, this becomes my Q4, and then it becomes Q1 of 24. So now you have a road ready, you have a different milestones. Now I'm going to copy a message from the previous slide to make it really quick. So this is my title and this is my message at the bottom. I'll quickly discuss this message as well toward the end. Let me copy these and let me copy these messages also. I'm going to put this here and then one over here and then one over here. I can remove the guides now. So view, remove guides. Good here. Now let's copy this also. Let me put it here. Then copy one more time. So now my slide is more or less ready. So let me do a full slideshow. So now you can see, if I go over here, you see a title at the top, and then you have a road here where you see the different milestones. Let's say Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q1, 24. This could be month also, this could be year also. The important part is there when you see a placeholder for the text. So this is a very powerful template, but then you have to put more powerful content also here. It is very, very important that the content we are putting here is a very much relevant to your stakeholder and very much relevant to your discussion. For this example, I have taken a engagement example. Let's say somebody is managing engagement for a longer time, and he want to show that what he has accomplished over the period. So he has put some message over here. Or if you see here, let's say X years of golden engagement, end-to-end responsibility of program execution, competency at the core, innovation. So similarly, you can have different sort of messaging which is relevant to your stakeholder or relevant to your event, and accordingly you can enrich your slide. I have a different version of this slide as well where there is no black background. It's a white background. So you can use this template also. Both the templates are completely editable, and I have uploaded them in a share path. You can find the link in the description section. Download them. These are completely editable template and very powerful template, and you can repurpose them, reuse them in a many aspect. So hope you enjoyed this video and you have seen how quickly we can build a roadmap slide and how different ways this can be used and repurposed. Thank you very much for your time. See you soon.